TYPHON Terror XXV Prestige 2.7-Ton Diesel Mini Excavator, 25.1 horsepower Kubota D1105 diesel engine, AC cabin, retractable tracks, built for modern projects, small and average construction jobs, designed for speed and efficiency, compact yet powerful, impeccable performance, multifunctional design, works almost anywhere, easy and comfortable operation, efficient in confined spaces. Easy to use, even for beginners. AC heater cabin for comfort. Ideal for tight spaces. Perfect where large machines can't fit. Residential and indoor job sites. Compact dimensions. Total width 1,400 millimeters. Overall height 2,530 millimeters. Smooth and agile movement. One machine. Many uses. Construction, landscaping, agriculture, home projects, multi-purpose performance, trenching and grading, breaking concrete, lifting materials, utility work, strong but compact engine, Kubota D1105 diesel engine, 25.1 horsepower at 3,000 RPM, 19 horsepower at 2,200 RPM, high torque power, 71.4 Newton meters torque at 2,200 RPM, lightweight and dependable, built for long working hours, easy control and stability, pilot hydraulic controls, boom, swing, 45 degrees left and right retractable tracks, 145 millimeters ground clearance. Additional features: 2,045 millimeters digging depth, 3,365 millimeters digging height, 1,955 millimeters minimum swing radius, water-cooled engine, easy maneuverability.